Thank you. Hello, Susaday. Susaday ba on Tusana pi klai na dai ba. សុខសប្បាយទេមានសំណួរអីអាចដាក់នៅ comment បាទថ្ងៃនេះថ្ងៃគីហើយសុខកន្ធានៅកន្លែងណាដែរ what state what city and state are you from some jam flavor ទីទៀតមាន Naomi គាត់នឹងចូលដោះស្រាយពីរឿងច្បាប់ថ្មីដែល 𝘀𝗫𝗄𝗏 គេទៅបញ្ចេញម្សិលមិញនៅ Texas អូនៅទីក្រុងមួយណាទីទៀតចុះទៅ Houston ណាមិនមកអីនាំខ្ញុំដើរលេងកន្លែង Texas ព្រោះខ្លួនធំភាគច្រើនចូលសភាទៅកន្លែង 𝘀𝗫𝗄𝗏 Houston or 𝘀𝗫𝗄𝗏 Dallas no Irving Texas so គុនធាធ្វើការបើកហាងខ្លួនឯងបើសិនបើកហាងនឹងល្អពងស្វាក្រងអ្នករស់ស៊ីដើម្បីយើងបង្កើតគេហៅ chamber commerce មួយបាទរៀបចំអ្នករស់ស៊ីអ្នកខាងរស់ស៊ីបាទហើយគុនធាជា fan របស់ page ឬជាភ្ញៀវអតីតជួយប្រាប់ផងមើល cho con thiên đâu nó tích sa thì là ca nhà nào đấy cái đau nó pong set up sân pong share sân á chăm okay 3 hours ngồi mình lại lì rồi tí krong mới đã 3 hours Houston nó mình nó El Paso này cuma đang mua lại đấy nè internet đi slow mấy đi coba so con thiên mấy đấy là lấy lư ấy rồi này sa webcam với tí okay troca mixer này đợi rồi lấy bro 𝗀𝗫𝗴𝗲𝗽 where's Naomi okay con thiên truy mà bắt mới cái đó nhóm sân là pong set up thân rồi trong live nó đâu split tí chứ ô cả là tí hello okay pong thay con thiên miền ta con thiên muối cái đó bóng miền miền áp xế chứ nó mình lại đồng phải lo cho mình cái bông thời cả đấy đấy cái nào là áo đồng bì ở con thiên này cái nào phải ham tí chứ và chẳng ở đây là dân chọn vậy ngày ní chứ bà là bỏ USCIS tầm trình một thông mấy anh ấy bảo nè bây giờ ruột trâu sọc mà ở miền chứ bà cái ruột trâu máu ở lò ní đã đòi dân trâu sọc cái đòi miền cả nhà miền visa coi cái tàu vay tra chẳng á bên tới mau biometrics chụp nông tôm đen Mexico lại cái ruột trâu màu ở miền cả nhà chấn so mấy cái bàn bạc cả và cái nâng dục chuột đồng bày có mọi bảy bạn trong cổ xá chấn cất nâng ai thưa cả đá nam á nó không xong come on in.
Oh, you're okay. Your
I've been keeping the seat warm. Yeah. Okay, so this is Naomi. Ignore her for now. We're doing something. Okay, don't smack the table, okay? Because Vicky like to smack it when she talks.
Oh, like.
Hola. So Contia is keeping me company while for you.
Okay.
Over here.
Oh.
Talk to the camera.
Hi.
Hello, Pauline. Want to say hi? Say hi real quick. Come here. Don't be shy.
Show your hand.
show your face. So Paul, say hi. Okay. So this is Naomi. Okay, bye, Pauline.
Bye.
She is our senior legal staff. So she is authorized to practice immigration law. She could give you legal advice. She could prepare your work, your document, and she could represent you at at USCIS interview. So, hello, subcontier. What is a lot of subcontier? There's two of them. There's subcontier 1 LP, subcontier SOAR. So today we're gonna do this live session in English because the topic is predominantly for Hispanic.
Yeah.
Is that safe to say? I don't think Cambodian that I in the past.
I know
Huh?
wives that are married to a Hispanic.
Wife, that's
Like Cambodian women.
oh no,
married
I'm
to-
talking about like Cambodian national.
That need it. Oh.
Yeah. So I think they're still at work, they're still commuting, especially, we're in E, so there's people still in Central Time, Pacific Time. So they're still working, but they could watch this later. We just want to give their information. So hopefully they could refer people that need the service, take advantage of this good news.
Yeah.
Okay, take it away.
Yeah, so this is a new thing that just dropped yesterday. It was just introduced yesterday. It's been talked about for some time now, but USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, they just released a form to do the parole in place for spouses of U.S. citizens. The form is called the I-131F. And so that's a form that's going to help unite families. I think it's part of their reunification program thing. And so this is particularly for U.S. citizens who are married to people who came to the United States unlawfully. So maybe they crossed the border, like types of people. They're married to somebody who crossed the border. I think that's the only scenario that I can think of right now. And they were for June 17th, 2024. But they've been in the country since June 17th, 2014. So it's for people who have been here, like who can benefit, the people who can benefit for around 10 years. But they've been married to a U.S. citizen from at least June 17, 2024. This will give, I think, work authorization for about 3 years, protection from deportation, and then it's a pathway adjustment of status. So before the people who came unlawfully, they had to go back to their home country to do an interview. They needed to request a waiver and do an interview in their home country. But this new form is going to allow them to adjust so they can stay home with their spouse and children and apply for the green card here in the United States.
Okay, I just want to piggyback on that. When Naomi said adjust, that's a legal term from changing or switching from a non-status or one particular status to another.
Yeah.
So let me ask you a question. Is this opportunity for people that came on a fiance visa, but for some reason they fell apart, they didn't get married, so they didn't move to the next level, they didn't get the status adjust? How will that affect those people? Or will they be able to take advantage of this?
I mean, I don't want to say outright no. I don't want to it's a final no. I don't think so. I need to look more into it. You guys could message us your situation and we can look into it and see, you could benefit from this. But I want to say no, but we could look into it if you reach out to us.
We will provide you with free consultation.
Yeah, because K1's fiancés, they came on a visa to the United States and they promised to get married
in 90 days.
In 90 days. And when you don't do that, that's an issue.
Yes.
When you don't marry the person that petitioned you to come here, it's very complicated. So this might not be a solution for you, but again, reach out to us.
Hi, somebody. Somebody said hi.
Hi.
GMI, hello. Yes. So, in terms of Hispanic or Latino in the United States, are they ranked number what in terms of population, in terms of size?
I think number 2.
Number two, like after Caucasian,
Yeah. Thanks.
before African American.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So in other words, Hispanic or Latinos make rank number 2 in terms of amount of people that live in the United States, and so there's a big community, big population. So I'm sure that you might know, somebody in your coworker might know. So spread the word while still here. That could help them, because after November election, we don't know who's going to win the
That's
election,
true.
and
Yeah.
this could be like Kessel, right?
Yeah.
So so what happened when the elections? How would that affect this if, for example, a new administration comes in, or will it be grandfather in?
They could voice. There could be lawsuits. There could be like a court injunction where they stop the process. Maybe nobody else, like
Like a deadline, right?
Yeah,
like,
maybe they could just halt all processes or not allow new people to come in. So let's say February comes around, they stop. Maybe the people who submitted their applications
like it
before,
cancel.
maybe it'll cancel, but maybe it won't. But they won't allow more people to come to applications.
Yeah, that sounds familiar. Did we have something like that where they don't sign up on a particular day, they can't take advantage of the benefit? Was it DECA? Was it DECA renewers or something in that field? I don't remember.
Kind of, yeah. I mean, DACA renewals right now, USCIS is DACA application still, but like they won't on it. Right now, it's only renewals for DACA.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only ones that are being processed.
They take the filing fee, but they won't adjudicate
Yes,
it.
they will take the filing fee.
They will take your money.
Yes, they're good at that.
So, hi, somebody. Hello, somebody.
Hi.
Let the flow. Okay. So, there's a lot of this is election cycle. So, what happened is this. So, whoever wins the presidential election, they will bring their cabinet member, a new director of USCIS, new director of whatever department is, right? So when that happens, you got to be patient. Every time we have a presidential elections, you just got to be patient. Stuff does get, sometimes it's not as fast. Have you seen anything fast going up? But what we do know is this: a few months ago, a lot of people that got their document approved or qualified, they wait like over 6 months to get scheduled.
Yeah.
According to T and her team, she said recently it's within 6 months. Before it's like over a year after they get their document qualified. So somebody just be patient. You will get approval, as long as you give the team, the caseworker, the document information they need. It's just a matter of time. Okay, just be patient. Whatever we have control over, I guarantee you will do it. Once we send it out to the government, we just pray and just patient. That's all you got to do, Yeah. Oh, but Vicky does have a solution for all these people that want past interview date and all that. You know what, Vicky? If you guys want your case decided to get an interview tomorrow, there's 2 ways to do that. Number one, you gotta vote for me to become U.S. president, and then I'll sign executive order, expedite everything, right? That's number one.
Yeah.
Number 2, if I become God, then I have more string to pull, right? So besides that, what can they do to expedite?
with the embassy, nothing, unless you have a really serious situation going on, like sickness, death, cancer, car accident.
Even that, sometimes it's not like an urgent thing, because if the person's coming in is sick, that could be a public charge. They could be like,
oh no, the petitioner. Like if the petitioner in America is sick, maybe they got cancer.
So extreme circumstance. So if you qualified for hardship, but those are rare. So in other words, you just got to be patient. What I do not like is this. A lot of people compare us with other providers. They'd be like, oh, this person's case is faster than you, because it's case by case. So what happened is we prepared a document, right? And we submit to the same address, but when it get there, they the one that manage the caseload, it goes to different queue of people.
And investigation. They investigate, see if it's a real relationship. That also adds on to why sometimes it's taking a long time.
Correct. With this situation, it was just a U.S. citizen daughter petitioning their biological mother, so
it's processing times.
And it's just processing time, different queue. So Sarit, hello, Saracha.
Hi.
Hello. So with this topic today, it might not be here tomorrow. It might not be here next year. Since it's here, take advantage of it. Let's start the process. You want to recap real quick before I jump to what they need to do?
Yeah, so again, it's for the spouses of U.S. citizens who came here unlawfully. They came here unlawfully. They didn't come here with a visa. Maybe they crossed the border, and the spouse that wants the green card, the husband or wife that wants the green card, they have been here since June 17, 2014, and they've been married to a U.S. citizen for at least June 17, 2024.
Okay. Yeah. So they don't have to be married for the 10 years that they're right.
They just need to be present for 10 years, but married at least before June 17th, 2024.
Okay. So there's a lot of detail. Is contact us. We're the expert, and the residents. I'm not resident, but the what they call it when they're here. The present in the U.S. only apply to the spouse. The stepchild, from what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, there's not a duration of time be presently because they're minor, from what I understand.
Yeah, we can confirm that. Yeah,
okay.
It's all new. We're still.
So contact us, and this is how you contact. Please don't call us directly because it's only a specific people that deal with this kind of case. So there's a process. So number one, I want you to, in the description, there is a link, to book a session. So there is a questionnaires that we want you to answer. Make sure that you qualify for this new benefit. Okay, so we just need your name, phone number, so we can get a hold of you and schedule an appointment. So are you married to U.S. citizen before? Is that correct, or is it as long as they married on that date or before that date?
Yeah.
They enter the U.S. without admission, meaning permission or visa, parole. Living here for at least 10 years since June 17, 2014. And they do not have any criminal records, any major, any conviction.
Or any deportation.
Or any deportation proceeding, correct?
They can be in deportation proceedings, but let's say they had a deportation order and they had to go, but then they came back. That's a no-no. But again, just reach out to us, answer the questions as best as you can, and then we'll reach out to you.
Okay. Yeah. And the last question is, because Naomi's she's running the whole legal department. So we need to know what is your best day and time, to have the consultation, so she's not bombarded with calls and interrupting her workload. So please follow this steps, and we will. Her assistant will schedule a consultation and make sure that you can take a new benefit from USCIS. Okay. So I know that we don't have a big Hispanic clientele, but if you do know, like Naomi said, uh, a lot of Cambodian national that we know are married to Hispanic that's in this situation.
Yeah.
Okay. So Sophie Long, how are you? You miss me, I miss you. So she's in Alabama. So I'm sure she has a lot of Hispanic down there in Alabama, her neck of wood.
Yeah.
Other than that, do you have any last minute you want to include before we conclude this?
Our consultations are free. Just reach out to us, and we could talk about your case. Any questions or concerns, any doubts sort it out.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Naomi, for your great work with the community. Oh, another thing, is still in planning phase. We're planning to have a community event, that will, what's that word? Naomi? Advocate for the immigrants community,
Yeah,
especially the Hispanic.
Yeah, so we're having a community party, and we're gonna have information regarding DACA recipients, the DACA program. This year's the 12th year anniversary since the program started by the Obama administration, and we're going to celebrate, the resilience of DACA recipients, and also give information and gather up support from the community.
Yes, and Sophie, we are looking for donation. If you have donuts that you want to donate for the event, coffees, it's a tax write-off for you. So please participate any way you can. So we are accepting suggestions. We want to make a good party for everybody. So we want your suggestions on food. We want suggestions on entertainment. We don't know stuff, but if you know something, what's that band called? Mariachi, what's it called?
Mariachi.
Mariachi band. Who knows, So we're not specialized in entertainment, we just paperwork, pencil pusher. What do we do? Like paper pusher, So entertainment is not our strength. So we are asking for suggestions. Okay, we will pay for those service and for those entertainers, the food. Please give us suggestions, and that's it. Thank you so much, Naomi. Thank you for tuning in. Please share and share this information so we those people that qualify for this new benefits.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye bye.
All right. Goodbye.